Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to do another video with dear Dahlia, and I'm so excited to have my favorite model, Alessandra, with me. Thanks for being here. And I really wanted to share with you guys how versatile all the dear Dahlia products are, and we did this like really fun, glittery glam makeup look. So let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay, to start, I'm going to prep Alexandra's eyes using the Dear Dahlia Skin Paradise Flawless Fit Expert Concealer in shade Vanilla with the baby Dear Dahlia sponge. This will cancel out any redness and give us an even base for the eye look we are going to create. So I've already prepped Alex's skin using the Dear Dahlia Skin Conditioning Micellar water. Every Dear Dahlia product is infused with Dahlia flower extract, which hydrates your skin, and this micellar water also doubles as a toner, so her skin is toned, hydrated, prepped, and ready to go. Next, I'm going in with the Secret Garden palette in Spring Bouquet. I'm taking the shade Innocent on a Dear Dahlia eyeshadow brush, and I'm taking this all over the eyelid to set the base we put down. This palette is great because it has warm and cool shades, and it's really versatile. You can use it as an eyeshadow, liner, or as a blush. Next, I'm going into the crease with the shade Romance on a fluffy brush and blending it upwards and out. This will act as our transition shade and add dimension. To make this look more glam, I'm taking the darkest shade Claude, on a small pencil brush. I'm blending it along the lash line and in a small V at the outer corner of the eye for some drama. For some sparkle, I'm taking this beautiful shade Hummingbird on a Dear Dahlia eyeshadow brush that I've wet with setting spray for more intensity. I'm applying this all over the eyelid and blending up into the crease. I really love the way how this shimmer catches the light. To intensify the eye look, I'm going in with the Paradise Dream Precision Pro Liquid Liner in shade Mahogany. I love a brown liner because it's softer and more natural than a black. I'm starting with a line all along her lash line, and I'm not using just the tip of the pen, I'm actually laying it on its side and using the side of the pen to create my line. I'm making sure to bring it all the way into the inner corner, keeping it very thin at the front of the eye. So I'm adding a small wing by asking Alessandra to keep her eyes open and looking straight ahead. I'm drawing the bottom of the wing first to make sure that it's at the right angle. Once I've drawn on the bottom line, I have her close her eyes and connect the bottom of the liner to the top of the wing and fill it in. This liner is waterproof and smudge resistant, so it will be great for all day wear. I'm going back in now with the Secret Garden palette to soften the liner and make it a little smokier by taking shade Claude and going over the liner. I'm blending the shadow upwards slightly above where the liner ends to soften and diffuse the line. I'm going in now with the Paradise Dream Eye Sequins in shade Enchanted because I want this look to really be glam and fun, and I love how versatile the Dear Dahlia products are. These eye sequences are super easy to apply. It glides on like a waterly gel, but it dries and adheres tightly so there is no fall down. The eye sequins are infused with the Dahlia flower extract like all the other Dear Dahlia products, so they feel very hydrating on the eyes. I'm going to use the Skin Conditioning Micellar water on one of the Dear Dahlia 5-layer cotton pads to clean up under the eyes. This is why I like to start with the eyes first when I'm doing a darker or heavier look on the eyes, just in case there's any fallout. This is also what I prepped her skin with because the Dear Dahlia Micellar water doubles as a toner. I love that it doesn't leave any oily residue on the skin, so you don't have to double cleanse. We are going to come back to the eyes after we finish the complexion. So Alessandra has really beautiful brows naturally, so I'm just going to use the spoolie end of the Perfect Brow Longwear Sculpting pencil to brush her brows up. So for Alessandra's complexion, I'm going to use the Skin Paradise Flawless Fit Expert Concealer in 3 different shades. This product is really great. It comes in 10 shades, so you can use it as a foundation or concealer, and you can also use it to highlight and contour. I'm going to first use shade Sand, which matches Alessandra's skin tone, and apply it all over and blend it out with the Dear Dahlia sponge. I really love this sponge too. The shape is amazing for under the eyes and around the nose. I love that this product shears out nicely to create a very natural coverage all over. You don't need any other base. After I've applied a sheer base, I'm going to take the same shade and spot correct any blemishes or redness I can still see here. So next I'm going in with a lighter shade, Vanilla, to highlight under the eyes, the bridge of the nose, and the cupid's bow. I'm blending this out with the adorable baby Dear Dahlia sponge. I love how hydrating and blendable these concealers are. Every single Dear Dahlia product is infused with their patented Dahlia flower extract, which is a powerful antioxidant and very nourishing. To contour, I'm taking shade Rich Toffee and lightly dotting it right under Alex's cheekbones and using the sponge to blend it out. Even though the shade is dark, it blends out easily into a very nice, natural looking contour. I'm doing the same thing along her jawline to create dimension, making sure to really blend it out down the neck. So I really love the way these make the skin look very easy to build, long-lasting and crease-free. I'm using what's left on the sponge to lightly contour the sides of her nose. So to set everything, I'm going to take the Soft Focus Shine Control Powder on a fluffy Dear Dahlia brush under the eyes and in the T-zone. So this is a universal tone and it's completely translucent. It also prolongs the freshness of your makeup without drying you out. I'm also going to accentuate the cheek contour we did by dipping into the powder with the large end of the sponge and stamping it just under the contour, then blending away any excess with a large fluffy brush. You can see how much this accentuates the contour and it will set everything. This mineral powder is super silky and soft, and it also is talc free. I love having products that are natural, clean and work really well. So to finish the eyes, I'm going to take the shade Provence from the Secret Garden palette on a small brush and bring that under the eyes, connecting it to the wing we created earlier. I'm going to have Alex now curl her own lashes. It's something I like to do because it's more comfortable when you do it yourself. This lash curler is so cute with the rose gold and it feels really solid and well made in your hands. I'm using the Paradise Dream Volume and Long Lash Mascara in shade Noir. I love this one because it has unique floral shape fibers that add volume, as well as almond oil and Dahlia flower extract to nourish your lashes. I'm applying this one on the bottom lashes as well, since it's waterproof and clump free. For some color on the cheeks, I'm going back in with the Secret Garden palette and taking the center shade Scent. I'm applying this liberally, starting at the apples of the cheeks and working upwards, connecting it with the bottom corner of the eyeshadow for a more interesting look. I love that this product starts off sheer and builds to add more drama and intensity so easily. So I'm mixing in a bit of shade Romance, since the blush and shadows can be mixed together to add a little bit more warmth. I'm taking some of the shade Scent, mixed with a little bit of shade Provence, on a big fluffy brush and blend that all over the eye to tie the look together and bring cohesion to the face. I'm going to apply one more layer of the eye sequins for maximum drama and sparkle, and they're so pretty, I just want to excuse to use more. I'm going to pop on a small half lash on the outer corner of Alexandra's eyes just for some drama. To highlight, I'm using the Eternal Shine Illuminating Palette as a blush topper. I'm applying it in the same areas I applied the blush for some more shine. Moving to the lips, I'm taking the Lip Paradise Intense Satin Lipstick in shade Lucy and patting it onto the lips straight from the bullet. I want this to be a very soft, diffused look, so I'm tapping it on and blending it out with my fingers rather than swiping the lipstick on. I love the satin texture. It's not too matte or too shiny. It's very natural. It has shea butter in it, so your lips stay hydrated and smooth. Once I'm happy with the intensity, I'm going to top it with the Paradise Aurora Shine Lip Treatment in shade Heavenly. I love that these are actually lip treatments instead of glosses, so they really hydrate and nourish your lips while adding shine and shimmer. It gives you a glass-like shine and nourishes your lips with lavender oil and cacao seed butter. And that's the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the information about Dear Dahlia is down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Bye!